Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about the last part of this aggregate function in SQL, which is maximum function. So this maximum function returns the largest value of a selected column. In our previous 4 videos, we talked about the other 4 aggregate functions, which is count, average, sum and minimum. In this video, we'll look into the maximum function. So we have our table promotional mail where we have details of all the email that has been shared with this subscriber base. And now if you want to find out what is the maximum hour at which a user is opening their email within a day, then you can use this maximum function. So let's write that query. So we'll simply put select max of mail opening time from this email data.promotional mail. So this query will give you the maximum time of the entire population on which the email is getting opened. So the maximum time is 24. Now if you want to get the maximum time at a subscriber level or at a user level, so that you can find out that what is the maximum time on which a particular user is opening their email, you can add the subscriber ID. After select, you have to put subscriber underscore ID, and once you have done that, you have to put group by, so that this entire maximum calculation which is performed on the mail opening time column can be summarized at a subscriber level. So we'll put group by subscriber ID, and now if I run this query, you will have each and every subscriber as a row and their maximum of the mail opening time. So this is how basically you use max function in SQL to get the largest value of that selected column. If you want to understand or learn more about SQL, then you can click on the right side of this video, or if you want to learn about Excel, then you can click on the left side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.